this lesson, we are going to add text. So you click on the text element and you can add all the text that you want in this space. You can add all the text you want in this space. And you go over to the style, you can put it in the middle and you go back to the text. Now you can use this editor here if you wanted to highlight something. So let me just come in and just say text heading. And I can just highlight this. I can bold it. I can underline it. And you can do different color stuff with it. And you can choose the style for the header one. So you can do a lot of things too. And if you wanted to link something, you can click to link. And it's going to, this is the URL that is going to go to. You put your link right here. And then you click insert. Now you've inserted that link. And if you want to do some custom coding, you can do that. You just put your mouse here. You can drag it down. Oh, you can't drag this one. Okay. Now, when you add more stuff, you probably can drag it down a little bit. But you can put the code and stuff through this editor. And if you don't want it, you just click back to exit off and come back to the normal one here. And you go to the style once again. There's really not a whole lot you can do with the text. It's meant just for you to add just basic text on there. So feel free to add text.